Hello friends, I want to show you something that I just bought. How cute is this? This is a little perfume bottle. And if you can tell, I think you can tell the iridescence of it. It has, you can see green, yellow, red, purple, blue. You just see so many colors in here. And it's one of the cutest, like when I say, let me back up a little bit because you know I'm all up on you. But this is really cute. Now, the purpose of this, I bought this so that I could be, well, I'm kind of into perfume now. And so I bought it because look, it's got that little thing, I don't know, I see people doing that. And so I want to do it, and I got just the thing to put in there. There was a time me and my friends, we had came together to make some perfumes and stuff. We got us some like fractionated coconut oil, and we also got a plethora of essential oils. One of them is geranium. We got a rose one, and then we had sandalwood, ylang ylang. Oh, we had lavender. But anyway, we had a bunch of different ones, and they all smell really good, all really potent. Then we just mixed it up. When you make an oil, this is how we mix it up. Okay, it's got a little dirt on it, a little eyeliner on it. So when you mix it up, you put it in here, and then you gotta put it in the dark. So these smell really, really, really good. I think my pink one was a really strong rose smell. We made 3 apiece. So I know the pink one is roses, and I believe this one is more of a sandalwood smell. The roll-ons are cool, but they're not as exciting to use. Yes, consumerism has struck again, and so I'm finna just use a different one. I thought this was gonna be fine, but I'm not as excited about these. I'm gonna pour this out since this is done cooking, right? Because it's been in the dark for so long. I'm gonna pour this out into my this thing, right? And I'm gonna take these and put them like in the car, put one in my bag. I'll use these to carry them around. So that I'm not just wasting them and throwing them away. I'll use them, but when I'm getting ready in the morning and getting, like when I'm getting set up to be, my best self, I'm gonna use this because this is so cute, and it's just a little pyramid, and it's got a little point at the top. Look how cute. I wonder if all of the colors are really shining through. It's iridescent, effervescent. I hope I'm using those words right. You let me know. And it's the bee's knees. It's the breeze knees. Oh my God. All right. Oh my God. I actually wish it were not as small as it is, because now it's going to be full up, and so I ain't gonna fill it up too much because I fear the stick won't fit in there. So you just you stick this in here, and then you put some on like that. It smells so good. Okay, this smells really good, and it looks so cute. So we're gonna put this over to the side. We're gonna have to get some more of those, but luckily I still have some more of this left. So I'm just gonna throw this, I'll put this back together, and then put this in my car. I can put it on right before I get ready to do something, like if I'm finna meet somebody, or I don't know, whatever I want. The universe is mine. But yeah, that's literally all I wanted to show you. And I want you to understand something now. You guys, we're friends. So I might just come on here and tell you about a lot of different things. Also, I have like a green and gold motif in my room, because look at this right here. I have that in my life, like green and gold. This is a green thing. It's kind of cute. This is green. It's a bluish kind of green. Look at this. I just picked this up. This is I think it's like some kind of rainbow crystal or something or other. This is cute. It's so, I feel like it is a little bit too big for this, but I mean, I kind of, what I should do is go back and let them make me a piece of jewelry, so that this can get smaller, because I don't know how to make this smaller. Like, oh, I guess, yeah, like I don't know how to make this smaller so that it can kind of wrap around my neck and be up here somewhere, you know, because I would love it up here. I like that big stone. I love that. Okay, but yes, that's green and gold. Look at how pretty this is. It's a pill organizer. This is good for all my medications. No, I'm just playing. I don't have a lot of medications, but this is candle. I don't even burn it because I burn it sparingly, you know. And then I burn my other one more so. But yeah, it's just like green and gold everywhere, and that really helps me to feel good. Look at this little karaoke machine. Oops, sorry about that. That I got from, you know, none other than the TikTok shop. But this is cool. I listen to my little YouTube podcast in the morning. But yeah, it's like green and gold. Everything is green and gold. And I literally that's all I wanted to share with you. And I will talk to you later. But yes, I think what I was trying to say before that was that I'm just going to be getting on here sharing things because we're friends. So, you know, if that's going to annoy you, I'm so sorry. But if you want to be friends, then let's be friends. You know what I mean? So, yeah. I'll talk to you later, friend. Peace. Is there an imperfection in this? There is. But it's okay. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it slide. Oh, it's unbelievably clear on that side. There is a little dent in it, but I don't know. I don't care. I'm not finna send it back because, you know, I want to keep it. I'm gonna just keep it. Anyway. All right. Bye for real this time.